For today's video, another Halloween look is an easy tutorial on this Mulan Disney princess look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See, I am wearing a shirt, but the angle of the camera doesn't show everything, so sorry, it does look a bit nudie. So I already cleansed my face, moisturized, and you know my story about my lips, I gotta hydrate that. So I'm taking a foundation that is still a golden undertone, but a lot lighter, and I'm mixing a little bit of the white from the Makeup Forever Flash palette to kind of give more of a white base. So you guys know Mulan from Disney and the Chinese culture, when they wear the makeup, it's a lot lighter than your average person here in America. It's just how they had it. The foundation will still be pretty white, but not as pure white when I'm doing skeleton makeup looks. And using a beauty blender actually makes it a lot easier, especially because you're using foundation and a creamier type of formulation. It works best. And by the way, I started my vlog channel and I finally posted my first vlog, so please check that out guys and subscribe to support my channel. Okay, so I am going to use a powder to set this cream product. I did use a foundation in closer to my shade, but still a little bit lighter, so you can kind of see it gave me a little bit of warmth, but it's still pretty white, which is totally okay. So with this eyebrow part, there's no right or wrong way, but you want to make sure you're arching the eyebrows a slight bit. I kind of just started in between my brows and I went in the middle and then went to the arch and then made a little tail. And I'm not going to thicken them at all. But I am going to use a brow powder to darken it and make it a little sharp looking. Although this is from a cartoon, it's still going to be slightly dramatic looking because it's costume makeup, so don't fear that it looks too sharp or too dark in certain parts. This is Halloween costume makeup, guys. You want to go ahead and just show your creativities. Again, there's no right or wrong way. You guys are free to do your version of any type of makeup, and this is clearly my version. I would have to say this is probably the best and easiest part. You guys know Mulan has smaller eyes, and so do I. So by applying the one eyeshadow, just like the cartoon, it was very easy. It's not even blended, it's basically just a round curved moon shape on the crease and eyelid space. I know that's cartoon graphics, but you know me, I wanted it a little bit softer and blended, so I went in with a blending brush to diffuse the crease a slight bit. So I'm actually going to skip the lashes, but I am going to give myself a really winged and slanted liner. So I'm just going to take my Stila liner and basically just give it more of an angle to have more of a slant shape eye. This one eye always gives me trouble, so as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to the mirror because I can't see. But you can tell I totally messed up, but that's why I like using these cosmetic Q-tips because I can clean them up right away. Usually with mascara, if I get it on my cheeks or face, I let it dry for about a minute or two and I can easily take it out. But with eyeliner, you have to instantly remove it, especially if it's waterproof. Again, we're going to skip the falsies, but I am going to load up my lashes with some good heavy mascara. You can see it got a little mark there, but I'll take that off easily in a second. Coming towards the end, I'm just going to tightline my eyes, and I'm just going to blink and just let the bottom liners saturate whatever's from the top layer. And you guys know there's no contouring, there's no dimension on the face except blush is what they use. So I'm going to slap on loads of blush in the next few clips here. And the last product I'm going to use is a lippy. This is the Dior lip stain. It's a really bright ruby red. It does have a nice sheen to it, so I thought it was perfect for this look. I'm going to start with my Cupid's bow and making sure it's nicely rounded. I'm not going to really follow my lips too much. I mean, I am, but I want to make it a little bit more skinnier on the top lips and just make it more like a poutier cartoon look. And this is my final look, guys. This is my take on Disney's Mulan makeup look. I'm just posing cheesy here, as I always do. Don't forget to comb the hair and fix it. You guys know me. I did fix it, but my little baby hair is just be coming out. I didn't have a brooch, but I found these bridal hair clips that I use for my clients, and I thought it was suiting, so I did that. Put a little bun on top of my head. I'm wearing this robe that you guys probably seen in many of my videos. I just like to get ready in them. It's really baggy, it has big sleeves, and I thought it was just perfect for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!